Embarking on a bucket list journey is a thrilling experience, and what better way to accomplish it than through a series of unforgettable cruises that showcase the world's most breathtaking destinations. Here at Cruise's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. And in today's video, we're going to let you in on some of the most desired cruise travel destinations. Hang around till the end, and I'll fill you in on the one we consider the absolute best destination in our opinion. And I'm sure you will all agree. Let's get sailing. From the icy wonderland of Antarctica to the idyllic paradise of the Tahitian Islands, each cruise promises a unique blend of awe-inspiring landscapes, rich cultures, and remarkable wildlife encounters. So let's set sail and explore these enchanting destinations that are sure to leave a lasting impression on every traveler's heart. 12. Alaskan Inside Passage Cruise. Discovering pristine wilderness. The Alaskan Inside Passage Cruise is a voyage into the heart of nature's majesty. Sailing through the protected waterways, travelers are treated to a spectacle of stunning glaciers, majestic fjords, and a thriving ecosystem teeming with wildlife. One of the top tourist destinations on this cruise is Glacier Bay National Park, where colossal glaciers calve into the sea with thunderous splendor. The Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau is another highlight, offering the chance to witness the ice-blue expanse up close. Excursions may also take you to Tongass National Forest, where lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and diverse wildlife await. 11. Mediterranean Cruise. Unraveling history and culture. Prepare to be captivated by the Mediterranean's rich history and cultural treasures on a remarkable cruise. Embark on an odyssey through time, stopping at iconic cities like Barcelona, Rome, Athens, and Venice. In Barcelona, marvel at the architectural wonders of Antoni Gaudí, including the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. In Rome, the Colosseum and Roman Forum transport you back to ancient times. Athens offers the ancient Acropolis and Parthenon, while Venice enchants with its romantic gondola rides and St. Mark's Square. Each port of call on this cruise offers a tapestry of history and modernity, making it a feast for the senses and a journey through Europe's captivating past. 10. Galapagos Islands. Cruise, an encounter with evolutionary marvels. The Galapagos Islands, a living laboratory of evolution, beckon nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. On this extraordinary cruise, visitors can observe wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, such as the Galapagos tortoises and blue-footed boobies. Top tourist destinations in the Galapagos include Genovesa Island, known as Bird Island, home to diverse bird species, including red-footed and Nazca boobies. Espanola Island offers an up-close encounter with waved albatrosses, while Fernandina Island provides the chance to see the famous marine iguanas. Santa Cruz Island boasts the Charles Darwin Research Station, where travelers can learn about conservation efforts and the ongoing research in the archipelago. 9. Norwegian Fjords Cruise. Nature's masterpiece. Immerse yourself in the dramatic beauty of Norway's fjords, a land of wonder where cliffs rise steeply from emerald waters and waterfalls cascade from great heights. One of the top tourist destinations on this cruise is Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasting stunning vistas of waterfalls, lush greenery, and charming villages. Another highlight is the Narøy Fjord, known for its narrow passage and breathtaking scenery. Along the way, you'll visit picturesque towns like Bergen, where you can stroll through the historic Briggen Wharf and experience the local culture and cuisine. 8. Antarctic Expedition Cruise. The pinnacle of adventure. Embark on the ultimate adventure of a lifetime with an Antarctic expedition cruise. A journey to the remote and untouched Antarctic region grants travelers the opportunity to witness incredible icebergs, awe-inspiring glaciers, and unique wildlife such as penguins and seals. The top tourist destinations in Antarctica include the Antarctic Peninsula, where you can set foot on the White Continent and explore ice-filled channels. Deception Island, a volcanic caldera, offers hot springs and a peek into the region's geological history. Lemaire Channel, known as Kodak Gap, treats visitors to stunning photo opportunities with its towering glaciers and ethereal beauty. Let us know in the comments section what's your #1 bucket list cruise destination. And also tell what cruise you've yet to take but definitely have to do. I wonder which location will get the most votes. 7. Tahitian Islands Cruise, a tropical paradise. Escape to the idyllic paradise of the Tahitian Islands, where crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs beckon those seeking pure relaxation and natural beauty. The top tourist destinations in Tahiti include Bora Bora, famous for its overwater bungalows, turquoise lagoons, and vibrant marine life. Moorea captivates with its lush landscapes, offering opportunities for hiking, dolphin watching, and swimming with sharks and rays. Rangiroa, one of the world's largest atolls, entices with its pristine beaches and excellent snorkeling and diving experiences.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today. But I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things shipshape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. But we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director signing off. Thanks and back to the video.
6. Egypt and Nile River Cruise, a journey through ancient civilization. Embark on a captivating voyage through Egypt's ancient history with a Nile River cruise. The top tourist destinations include the Giza Plateau, where you can marvel at the Great Pyramid of Giza and the Sphinx. In Luxor, explore the Valley of the Kings, home to the tombs of pharaohs like Tutankhamun. Aswan offers the captivating Philae Temple and the stunning Abu Simbel temples. Cruising along the Nile, you'll witness scenes of everyday life along the riverbanks and gain insights into the rich tapestry of Egyptian culture and history. 5. Transatlantic Cruise, embracing the spirit of exploration. Recapture the spirit of exploration on a transatlantic cruise, crossing the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean just as intrepid explorers once did. While the ocean crossing itself is a unique experience, top tourist destinations on this cruise may include the Azores, a Portuguese archipelago known for its volcanic landscapes and lush greenery. In the Caribbean, you can explore colorful cities like San Juan, Puerto Rico, or visit the pristine beaches of St. Martin or St. Thomas. 4. Japanese Cherry Blossom Cruise, a delicate floral symphony. Witness the ephemeral beauty of Japan's cherry blossom season on a cruise along its picturesque coastline. The top tourist destinations during cherry blossom season include Tokyo, where you can stroll through parks like Ueno and Shinjuku Gyoen, blanketed in delicate pink petals. Kyoto offers iconic spots like Maruyama Park and the Philosopher's Path, providing enchanting views of cherry blossoms lining tranquil canals. Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park is another significant destination, offering a poignant contrast of hope and renewal amidst the blooming sakura. 3. New Zealand Fjordland Cruise, nature's grandeur unleashed. Encounter the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand's Fjordland National Park on this cruise, where fjords, waterfalls, and lush rainforests create a scene straight out of a fantasy. The top tourist destinations include Milford Sound, often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world, with its soaring cliffs and dramatic waterfalls like the iconic Mitre Peak. Doubtful Sound, known for its pristine wilderness and serene atmosphere, is another highlight. The charming town of Queenstown, surrounded by stunning alpine scenery, offers adventure activities and a vibrant nightlife. 2. Hawaiian Islands Cruise, Aloha Spirit, and Natural Splendors. The Hawaiian Islands are synonymous with paradise, and a cruise through this Pacific archipelago promises a harmonious blend of nature's splendor and the aloha spirit. The top tourist destinations in Hawaii include Oahu's Waikiki Beach, where you can surf or relax under swaying palm trees. Maui offers the famous Road to Hana, a scenic drive through lush rainforests and waterfalls. The Big Island boasts Volcanoes National Park, where you can witness the Kilauea volcano's active lava flow. Kauai's Nepali coastline enchants with its rugged cliffs and emerald valleys. 1. African Safari and Seychelles Cruise, a fusion of thrills and tranquility. Combine the thrill of an African safari with the serenity of a Seychelles cruise, and you have the perfect fusion of adventure and relaxation. On safari, the top tourist destinations include the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, known for the great migration of wildebeests and zebras. The Masai Mara Reserve in Kenya offers excellent opportunities to spot the Big Five. In the Seychelles, visit the island of Praslin to explore the Valley de Mai, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the rare Coco de Mer palm. La Digue Island entices with its laid-back atmosphere and pristine beaches like Anse Source d'Argent, frequently featured in postcards. And now, as promised, I'll tell you, in my opinion, the #1 bucket list cruise destination, and I'm sure everyone will agree. It's the one that means the most to each of us. My #1 destination will be different from yours, and yours will be different from the next person. The act of trying to decide the best location is a very subjective thing. My most long-awaited trip personally was any Mediterranean cruise that also affords me the opportunity to spend time in and tour Paris. And I will be taking that trip later this year. We will be sailing on the MSC Euribia. We'll update you all on that cruise later this year. If you would like a video on the MSC Euribia, let us know in the comments below. In conclusion, these extraordinary cruises offer a kaleidoscope of experiences, from the wonders of icy Antarctica to the tropical paradises of Tahiti and Seychelles. Each destination, with its top tourist attractions and unique landscapes, expands our horizons and nurtures our appreciation for the diverse and awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, history buff, or simply seeking relaxation, these cruises promise to fulfill your travel dreams and create cherished memories to last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future cruise tips and insights. Thanks for watching The Cruiser's Edge. Our goal is to help keep you informed and up to date on all things cruising, giving you an edge on cruising. If there's a video topic you'd like for us to cover, be sure to let us know in the comments section. Plan your bucket list cruise and bon voyage on your extraordinary journey.